Your Chai app is not working. Don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Chai app not working. So first, if you come across the channel, please do it to subscribe. The first step you need to take is to go to your settings. So in your settings, you need to click on app management. The app management, click on app list. On the app list here, you need to scroll down gently till you get to Chai. The app here. The Chai app here, you need to click on storage and cache. You need to clear your cache and clear storage. Remind you before you clear your cache, your storage, make sure you know your password and your password, okay? Make sure you know your password because you're going to be re-log into your Chai app. So after that, all you need to do next is to first stop the app here, the bottom right corner, and click on permissions. Make sure you permit all this, okay? So all of mine here is not yet allowed. I'm going to be allowing all of them, okay? Make sure you permit all of them. Then try restarting your device, okay? Once you're done restarting your device, I'm sure that it's going to be fixed by then. So that it is on how to fix Chai not working. Chai not working. Found those where I focus of course to the end of this video. Please do to subscribe. Tell me in the comment section if you have anything difficult on the Chai app. I want to say if you give feedback. See you guys in the next one.